Welcome back to Online Tools Master. This is part 2 of our Disappearing PNG Creator series. In this video, we'll explore even more creative disappearing effects using this powerful online animation tool created by Browserling. It's perfect for presentations, announcements, countdowns, banners, social media posts, and creative projects. You simply upload a PNG, choose how it disappears, adjust timing and smoothness, customize the background and text, and the tool generates a frame-by-frame animation automatically. To access this tool, open your browser, search online pngtools.com, and head over to Disappearing PNG Creator. Let's look at 3 new creative examples. Example 1. Opening notice with wipe effect. First, we upload a PNG image containing an opening notice announcement. In the output preview, the notice is gradually wiped away from left to right, revealing important event details underneath. To create this effect, we selected wipe away from left as the disappearing method and kept the background transparent. In the text message section, we added Grand Opening December 22nd Maple Avenue 5 in black, set the text size to 60, line height to 80, and selected the Verdana font with both bold and italic enabled. Under animation timing, we set the total duration to 5 seconds and used 45 frames for a smooth directional wipe. We selected repeat fixed number and set it to 3 so the animation plays 3 times. For transparency processing, we chose cyan. The final output shows a professional announcement animation, and to download it, simply click Save As. Example 2. Countdown to the winner announcement. Here, we upload a PNG of a winner's trophy as the input image. In the output preview, a reverse countdown appears over the image, and once the countdown completes, the trophy disappears to reveal the message Winner Announced on a black background. To achieve this, we selected Countdown Disappear as the effect and set the background color to black. In the text message section, we added Winner Announced in white using the impact font, with text size and line height set to 70, and bold enabled for emphasis. The animation timing was set to 15 seconds with 12 frames to create the countdown sequence. Since this is a one-time event, we selected repeat fixed number and set it to 1. For transparency handling, we chose cyan. The final animation plays once and holds the announcement clearly on screen, and to download it, click Save As. Example 3. New Year Greeting with Pixel Dissolve. In this example, we upload a festive PNG image featuring sparklers. In the output preview, the image gradually breaks apart into pixels, revealing a celebratory Happy New Year message decorated with stars. To create this effect, we selected Scatter by Pixels as the disappearing mode and set the background color to #090909. In the text message section, we added decorative stars along with Happy New Year in blue, #447FC5, selected the brush script MT font, and set the text size and line height to 140 for a bold, celebratory look. Under animation timing, we set the duration to 5 seconds with 28 frames for a smooth dissolve effect. The animation is set to repeat forever, and we selected red as the transparency processing color. The final output creates a festive pixel dissolve greeting animation, and to download your GIF, click Save As. That's it for part 2 of Disappearing PNG Creator. Make sure to check out our previous videos on Disappearing PNG Creator Part 1 and PNG Viewer, which are perfect tools to use alongside this one. Try the Disappearing PNG Creator yourself at onlinepngtools.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more powerful and easy-to-use online tool tutorials. See you in the next video.